Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can set up your missed call text back on Gohighlevel. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then log into your Gohighlevel account. Okay, so once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on the settings. So this one at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, and then just go to the phone system. So this one right here, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, right here, just go to the messaging option. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have the messaging compliance, messaging limits, analytics, and restriction history. All right, so when we go to the voice section, okay, so here we have these options. So here we can find the voicemail and missed call text box. So simply tap on this one and then go here. So missed call text box. So if activated, then you can text the customer and let them know your availability. So you can customize this text right here. For example, hi, this is your location, your name. I saw that we just missed your call. So how can we help you? So after that, you can also send a test here. You just have to choose your existing number. So make sure to customize this one. After that, you just have to tap on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.